Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I always love to be transparent with my audience, and before recording this video I had to make sure that I'm trying one of these applications that is going to give you more than $20 in a single day, and I'm going to tell you how much I got paid through this application. But the good thing, I went on Google and see all the reviews about how people are saying about these applications and how much people are making through this application. And this is what I found on Google reviews. He said that, "I'm happy to say that I was able to cash out and they paid me within that week. So this application is a legitimate and people are making money through this application." Our first application is called Gammy. This application allows anybody around the world to earn money through this application, and you're going to get money just by playing games on this application. It's very easy and anybody can do this. If you're over 16 years old, you can go to this application and download and start playing games, and you will be paid just by playing games. So the only thing that you have to do is to go to Play Store or App Store. Then you have to download this application and you're going to make money just by starting playing game on this application. It's really easy and many people are making money. This application has paid more than $2 million to active users of this application. And our next website is called Toluna. This is the easiest way to earn money on your mobile phone. You can earn more than $10 on your mobile phone. This application is going to pay you $10 just by finishing or completing the very simple task that you're going to be given on this application. So the only thing that you have to do is to go to Play Store. You have to download this application, which is listed as Toluna. So right after downloading this application, you're going to answer different questions, and these questions will be based about the brand that you're using right now or any product that you have experience with. Let's say that you are using this product X or you are using this brand X product. These questions will be based on a certain product that you really have experience with, or on a certain brand that you really have experience about their services. And right after answering these questions, you're going to get more than $10 just by answering very simple questions. Just imagine that you're just going to make more than $10 answering questions which are very simple and very easy to answer. So this is the very good thing for you to start making money with. I encourage you to start making money through this application, which is called Toluna, and anybody can do this as long as you have experience about a certain brand or you have experience about a certain product that you are using right now or you ever used that product. And our next application is going to pay you more than $3 up to $15 just after completing a very simple task. And the only thing that you have to do is to go to Play Store or go to App Store. Then you have to download this application. Right after downloading this application on your mobile phone, you will be given a simple task, and this task will be as follows. You will have to act as a secret customer. You have to go to a certain supermarket or store. You have to take pictures of different products in a given supermarket or in a given store, and you have to submit these photos that you have taken in the store. You have to submit these photos to this application, and right after submitting these photos of different products that you have taken, you're just going to wait to get paid more than $3 up to $15, and this task can be completed within 30 minutes or 20 minutes. So anybody can do this and it's very easy. Just imagine that you are just going to receive more than 5 tasks per week, and that means that you're just going to make more than $75 in a week. So you have to try this and see how much you're actually going to make. Our next application is called Paidwork. This is the application that I tried and I have experience with. I just tried like only 2 days, and this is how much I made through this application. The only thing that you have to do through this application is for you to watch different ads video. You're just going to watch ads video and you're just going to get paid. And the bad thing about this application, you have to watch as many videos as you can for you to make more than $10. So I failed because I needed to watch more than 1,000 videos for me to make more than $10. So this is like kind of waste of time. But for anybody who has time, I'm pretty sure that can try this application and it's really working out. These are my screenshot on how much I got paid through this application. So if you have time and you can watch more than 1,000 videos in a day or in a week, you can just get $10 just by watching videos. $10, it can help you to do some stuff. And let's say that you just keep watching these videos over and over again. I'm pretty sure that you can make more than $100. It just depends on the time that you have, and if you're ready to do this, I'm pretty sure that you can make money through this application. It's really working out. It's available on Play Store, so you can go and download this application. Our next application is called Opinion App. This application is going to pay you by sharing your ideas and thoughts. So the only thing that you have to do, you have to share your ideas and thoughts on different things. It can be about food, it can be about different pressures, it can be about anything. So when you share anything that you think is valuable to this application, after sharing this, you're just going to get more than $2 up to $3. It just depends on how many questions and how many times you are trying to do this task that are given on this application. And the good thing about this, it can take only like 5 minutes or 10 minutes just for you answering these questions. Let's say that you're just going to try to answer different questions and you're just going to get more than 5 tasks every week. That means that you are just going to make $15 in a week. You have to go and download this application on the Play Store and App Store and see how much you're actually going to make. This application is a Reddit and it has been working with a lot of people and it has been given money to a lot of people. So it's up to you to start making that kind of money on this application. It's not a lot of money, but it can help you to buy coffee and stuff. So go and try for this. Our last application is called Ysense. This application has paid more than $35 million to active users who are using this application. So why can't you be among of those people who are getting paid through this application? And this is a task that you'll be performing right after downloading this application. First of all, you'll be doing online survey, and other thing that you'll be doing on this application, you'll be playing games and getting paid on this application. But also you'll be getting paid just after inviting any of your friends. Let's say that you have downloaded this application and once you share this application to a friend of yours, you are just going to get paid more than 10 cents. It's not a lot of money, but let's say that you're just going to invite more than 10 people, more than 100 people. That means that you're just going to get a lot of commission from this application. So you will have to do that and start making money. And the average payment that people are getting paid on this application, you can get paid more than $20 on this application. I would love to share a little tricks on how can you maximize and start making more than $10 or $20 through these applications. You really don't have to choose only one application. You have to choose more than 3 applications that I've mentioned on this video and make sure that you are trying one by one. If you're interested, you can start making money through both of these applications. You have to download this application because there is no limitation that you just have to download one application. No, you have to download at least 2 or 3 applications and start working with them and see how much you're just going to make. And the goal is for you to make at least $20 or $40 or $50. It's really possible. You have to perform multiple tasks on this application and I'm pretty sure that you're just going to make a lot of money. You don't just have to download one application. No, you have to download at least 3 applications and see how much you're just going to earn. I tried this application which is called Paidwork and I just made like 20 cents, which is not a lot of money, but I'm pretty sure if I tried like other applications, I could have made more money through this application. And many people are making more than $20. Many people are making more than $50. I've seen reviews on how much people are making per day and it's very interesting. So I encourage you have to try this. You don't have to watch these videos and go to other videos without you try anything. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm really happy to be talking to you right now in this video, and I hope that you are just going to try one of these applications that I've mentioned on this video. Thanks so much. My name is Hans David and I hope to see you next time.